Hello, good morning, everyone. I have uploaded a video a couple of days ago, and thank you for your support and your patience watching that video. And this is actually a shorter version of that same video because I have received feedback from some of you and my friends and trade buddies that the video is too long, one thing, and second thing is I was jumping all over the chat, it seems, trying to explain some levels also, which is actually not important for this strategy. So in this video we are going to stick to the strategy more focused and try to make it as short as possible, so that if you haven't seen that video, if you want to, you can go, because it's a completely detailed video. But if you want to skip that and watch this video, it's okay, because the same thing I'm going to discuss here in a shorter time frame. Before we start the topic, just a disclaimer: trading is your choice completely. Whatever I'm discussing here is based on my experience, and I have tried and tested this and it worked for me. The same thing I'm trying to explain it to you. What stop losses you want to use based on your capacity. But in this video I can show you where my stop losses I keep, but it's not mandatory you have to keep your stop loss there. Okay, one more thing I wanted to add is what is the strike price you want to take. ITM and ATM works much better, because OTM sometimes what happens is in this 5 minutes candle it may look like immediately happen, but in 1 minute time frame, if you see, the market may be like moving around there only, then you may see some losses before it's actually moving your way. So ATM is good, ITM is much better. So let's start the topic today. So the strategy is very simple. We take one candle, 5 minutes time frame candle, and we use the first candle of the day. Okay, so today this is 16th of May, right? This is May. Yeah, I think May. So you see, what you have to do here is you have to mark the top and bottom of the candle. What you have to do is, once this candle is formed, then the market, for 15 minutes it was here and then it moved down. Okay, we are not doing anything here, we just wait, and then it went further, there was some price action happened here, we wait there. Okay, we are not doing anything. Now what we do is, from this level, if the market price is again coming here, then at this point we'll buy a PE. Okay, if you are a buyer, then we buy a PE here. If you see here in this chart, okay, I'll remove this EMS. EMA I use it when I miss these opportunities, then I work on EMS. We will discuss that on a different video. It's actually very good strategy using EMA. We will discuss that later. So what happened today here? The market actually went down, some price action happened, and then it went up, right? Came up, and then we buy a PE here. Okay, maybe you may see some loss here, because see, once you take this PE here, there is a movement upwards before it going down, so that you may see the stop loss hunting, or whatever you can call it. So you should know, because I keep my stop loss basically here. If it goes above this line, then I will think that okay, it's time for me to exit. Now you can plan your stop loss accordingly. See what happened after that. Okay, I'm not making this video because this happened today, so it is good, good time to no, I'll show you other videos also. This happened here. Okay, and we'll go back. See the candle I was talking about, where the shadow is huge but the body is only less, you can see it. Okay, these kind of candles we are going to avoid. So here also there are some other things we can consider, but we are not discussing it today. Okay, so on 14th again, see this candle. Okay, we marked it, and here if you observe, the market actually went down a little bit and then it came up, right? So if you have taken a PE here, obviously you would have seen loss, and for me, I would have exited somewhere here. and you can exit here itself because you don't want to take that much risk. You can exit. Okay, after this what happened is, here again you see, so the market went up, came down, a retracement by a C there. Okay, and the market moved up, right? So I'm trying to keep it simple, so I'm not discussing other things. We are just focusing on what we are going to do this. Okay, these kind of trades you can take blindly. Okay. Again today, on not today, sorry, on 13th, so this is a huge candle it formed here. Okay, let's try to draw a box there, this one. So on 13th I'm taking this and this. All right, so we'll extend it. Okay, so what do you see here is, if you have taken a trade here, PE trade, obviously you would have seen a little profit and then it went to loss, right? So why I wait till here is the same reason. See, from here again there are chances that market would go down, maybe not huge profit, but at least you are not in loss. Okay, or if you have exited somewhere here only after observing that market is like moving up, then this is another place where you can take the trade. And we go to 10th, you see the first candle here. So we have taken top and bottom of that candle, right? So the market went up till here. Okay, we are not discussing why the market fell down and what is that level and all. We are not discussing today. So the market has come down, okay, to this level, has come down, again a retracement, then it has come till here. Okay, and then from here there is a move. There is definitely a move happened, right? So I'm not saying that I mean, if you see from here till here, okay, that's a huge profit. But what we are discussing is, we are just going with this strategy. Okay, we covered this momentum. Okay, and 9th. Okay, so here what happened after this candle, the market from here it fell. Obviously if you see from this level the market fell. If you're like, once you start mastering this strategy, you will know that from where you have to take the trade. If should you take the trade or should you not take the trade? So based on that you can obviously take the trade. On 8th again, if you see, okay, we have marked this position. See here, see one huge candle. Okay, obviously you're not going to sit for entire day, so you see this huge candle here, you take the trade. I mean, before that you took the trade and then you left it. Okay, if you have taken PE here, that would go for a loss. Okay, so there's nothing we can do. If there is a loss, there is a loss. But again, if you see, but I would agree that this is not a very best day for using this strategy. But again here, if you see from here, there was a momentum towards upper side, right? Okay, we'll quickly go because already it is close to 10 minutes video, so we quickly try to wrap it. Okay, again see these kind of trendy days, so we are not going to consider that. I wanted to tell this in the beginning, but I missed it. So small candles and trendy days we are not going to consider. Again, if you see here on 6th, okay, this candle we have marked, and you see the market fell down, it came till here and then there was a fall. Okay, if you missed this position, then again here there was another chance. You can either see there are chances that market would go from here upper side. Okay, what I'm saying is, most of the times this thing works accurately. Okay, and we'll see on 3rd, see again small candle, and also it's a trendy day. No, we can't do anything there. Okay, now on May 2nd, May 2nd, one candle, then we have waited here, see here, buying a C, then it went up. Okay, that's a few points where we can make some money. Not some, it's actually a good money. Okay, again here very small candle, and then the market was upper circuit. Okay, above this level, so that we will discuss in another video. Okay, then we'll go back to 29th, very small candle, right? So we can't actually consider that. We are not discussing in this that there are different levels for that. That's why I use EMA and other stuff. Okay, see this level, this candle, this is small, but the market fell from here. So if you take PE, then at least you would stay till here, right? So that's a opportunity. And then we go back. I'll show you some more also. See on 25th, this candle here, okay, this level, if you have taken this level, definitely you can easily understand that okay, this is a place, possibly you can take a CE trade, right? So you must take the CE trade here, right? And then we'll go to 24th. 24th, yeah, 24th does not have that good levels. So 24th there is nothing much to discuss. And yeah, 23rd, again, if you see, we draw a range from here till here. Okay, oh well, good. So now if you see, again, there were two opportunities here and here, right? Mostly you are seeing these markets are now moving down because the market is in downtrend. Mostly selling is happening, and that's why we see more of this. Okay, and then again on 22nd, if you see, the same thing, we draw a range here. Even on 22nd, if you see, the same story. Okay, so all in all, what I'm going to say is this upper level and this bottom level, right, lower level, we have to keep this in mind and work on that. If the market price is outside this and once it comes here, we have to buy a PE. If the market price is above this and it comes here, then buy a CE. That should be our ideal setup. Okay, based on that we have to work. Okay, 23rd also we have seen. 25th we did not bother to see that. There are some levels we want to discuss. We will discuss that later. On May 2nd we saw, and 3rd, that was a trendy day like we discussed, and on 6th we saw that, on 7th also, and on 8th again we have seen that. Okay, and on 9th not that much, but on 10th we have seen that, and 13th we have seen that. Okay, and on 14th we have seen that. In fact, I have taken this trade, I have marked it, and I wanted to put post it shorts. I don't know if I did that. Okay, again on 15th, yes, it's not there, and on 16th again we saw that. So the idea is very simple. Just mark that range and follow the strategy. There can be losses. You have to plan your stop loss accordingly. When the market and before you have to and before you come to the market, you have to actually observe that market is in upper trend or lower trend. What happens is, if you have any idea, then it will make it easier for you to either take the trade or not take the trade. If that is confusing, then forget it. You just simply take the trade based on the strategy and see if that trade gives you profit or loss. That is all you have to do. Okay, thank you guys. If you like the video, please do support, and please share it with your friends. And one more thing I want to tell you is, once you sit for the trade, we all forget everything, and our mind jumps all over the place. So any trade strategy, if you want to apply, read it, or watch it, or do anything, do it again and again, so that when you sit for the trade, you remember that. Okay, thank you guys. Thank you for your support, and thank you for watching. We'll meet in the next video. All the best.